Okay, y'all, this is me and Never's first time ever trying to go ahead and do the performance data recorder. So we got the micro SD card and the main SD card. Go ahead and push it all the way in. Now after she pushes it all the way in, it clicks. It's gonna let you know there's 663 minutes of recording time remaining. So they have it where if you're at a track or anything, the white line that's in front of the car or anything, you can mark that as finished. As soon as it pulls up and it sees a white line, then that's when it's gonna have your start and finish line right there. And then you can record the sessions. You can review the recorded sessions, but in the manual it says you can't review it while you're actually driving. And then you can overlay some vehicles on whichever one you want to overlay. So anytime that you have valet mode, you can put it on valet mode recording and overwrite the data when the memory's full and automatically record in valet mode. So we're gonna have both throws on there. Alright, and then we're gonna choose our overlay. We're gonna choose sport. We're gonna go back. We're gonna start recording. So audio, video, and vehicle measures are being recorded. To learn more about the data collection, refer to the manual. So I'm guessing right now that it's actually recording. So let's just hit one small circle and see. Right now we have it in touring. I just released the emergency brake. Okay, so that's a good 35 seconds. Stop. Oh, sorry. Stop. So it recorded 38 seconds. Now shifting into park. View the recording. Bam. Here it goes. So whenever we put it on the TV or anything, this is exactly what it's going to look like. This is our G meter. That's pretty much the sway from left to right of how many G's we're pulling. That's our RPM gauge right there. That's what gear we're in, and that's the miles per hour. So this part I never even knew. Looking at the few people who I did see on there that records it, there's a camera somewhere up here. It's somewhere, or maybe it's right there or something. But the file video names is only going to be the month, the date, and the year, and how long it is. So those are file names. So I don't think that we can re-record. So those are the file names for it. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this drone up, do some more recording, but there you have it. So it's not too bad. Now they did have where you're supposed to, oh, there it goes, where you can fast forward. So that's something that's cool. It's not like YouTube, Netflix, and stuff like that, where you really can't see what's going on as you're fast forwarding and rewinding. It's pretty much showing you. So sorry y'all, I wish I would have went ahead and installed these. These are at Walmart, my favorite store. These are 32 gigabyte because the book recommends go up to 32 gigabyte. So I went and got the micro SD with the adapter right here, which is the regular SD. All right, the reason why I did that is because the micro SD card goes up in here, and for our surveillance cameras at the house, they also calls for a micro SD. So it all works out. But there you have it, and there you go. So no more me holding the phone and everything else. I don't know if it does audio or not, but of course we'll have to see. But I'm glad we now got the card up in there. Let me turn this off because we are wasting gas. Now we got the card up in there, so it's gonna be able to go ahead and record for us. So I'm extremely excited about it. Plus it gives y'all the miles per hour, the G forces, you know, everything else. So we just got to play with it, fine tune it. So let's get it. Let's go.